Hello, good afternoon, Dr. Lyudmila Grizun. I would like to introduce to our audience that today we have Dr. Lyudmila Grizun as an eminent speaker for our chat session interview today. So she is affiliated to Information Systems Department, Simon Gizlan's University of Economics, Kharkiv, Ukraine. Welcome to the chat session for Eurasia Research. How are you doing today?
Um, uh, so, uh, mm, in terms of the current conference, so which I have taken part in, it was great opportunity to deliver my research on the topic between net-based modeling for the design of coordinated university curriculum at this conference. And in a few words, I can give the explanations and to present this my work in brief. In general, I have been working on the topic of design of coordinated university curriculum during some years, and before at previous conferences I also delivered some of the results. The matter is that the challenges of building holistic and coordinated university curriculum are still relevant, and there are quite a lot of quite important questions how to shape integrative and at the same time coordinated university curriculum to provide modular structure of curriculum courses with preserving links and at the same time to provide their coordinated learning throughout the modules for different courses. So within my research, I elaborated my own approach to the curriculum courses structure and based on the models of knowledge presentation. And also I offered my author's approach to model curriculum using Petri-nets facilities. Petri-nets, it's a really important mathematical formalism which allows to model parallel and asynchronic processes. And based on these ideas, I also prepared the design of the software component, which allows to automatize this process and explore the mastering of the university curriculum. And I'd like to underline that this research is not the only focus of my research activity. I'm also working in the sphere of digital tools for inclusive courses design for university ecosystem, Petri-nets modeling of parallel and distributed processes in computer science, polygonal numbers and their applications, and others. And I step by step, I present some of my stages of this research. I also present with great pleasure and with great honor at the conferences of Eurasia Research Association.
That's great, ma'am. So starting with the chat session now. First question, you have presented the topic Petri-net-based modeling for the design of coordinated university curriculum at the conference. Yeah. Please explain your research in a nutshell.
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Oh, I just give me a moment.
Yeah.
You have presented the topic Petri-net-based modeling for the design of coordinated university curriculum at the conference. Please explain your research in a nutshell.
In fact, I have a bit covered this information. So within this research, I exactly elaborated my own approach to the curriculum courses structuring, and I used the Petri-net-based formalism in order to model the coordinated curriculum and try to explore how it works in terms of exactly synchronized learning of this mastering of different learning elements within university courses. Oh. And I'm going on. This research is in progress.
Okay. That's great. My second question will be, what are the challenges you have faced in your research journey?
No, in fact, it's quite difficult to talk about challenges. There are quite a lot of them. But as for me, the most challenging is to be critical to your own results and to re-estimate what is done at different stages of your research and to find out shortcomings of your results at the current stage and to find out how to improve them or to try some other new way. That is the most challenging. Thank you.
My next question, what was your motivation during the research?
Um, so something that motivates me, I have to say, that is a living comfort zone, the need for improving the current stage of your research based on some new approaches or some new facilities, because we are living in very, very volatile time, and new tools and new facilities emerges every day. And the second thing which really motivates me is interest, curiosity. What if I try this way, and can I refine something that I have done? Can I get better results? And so on. Okay,
That's
thank you.
That's great. What advice would you give to young researchers who are just starting in the research world based on your own experience and insights?
Okay, thank you for your question. It's very difficult to give some general tips. The matter is that research activity is really intimate and individual process. However, from my own experience, I'd recommend, I have just recommendations, not advice or tips. So my recommendations are the following. The first one, be curious. Find out some challenges and difficult problematic issues in your branch, which you are interested in, and then ask yourself, yes, what can I do to resolve these problems, these problematic issues? What is done by other researchers, and what are their limitations? What can I do in this sphere? Yeah. Second recommendation is for me, think out of the box. Don't limit your imagination. Ruin barriers and frames of your own thinking. Be creative and even a bit crazy in your solutions. Yeah, go off the beaten tracks in research and in science, and it can be done completely differently. You can use a well-known method but implement it to a new subject area, or absolutely unknown approach to the existing solutions to improve, refine, and so on. And the final and the most important is for me, that is just enjoy the process of your research activity. Love something you do and do something that you really love. Do it for your own progress, your development, and remember that no work is done in vain. Uh, no matter if it is successful step, not successful step, it leads you step by step, it refines your knowledge and research abilities, and it leads you to your research goals. This is my own slogans, let's say.
My last question will be your positive feedback about our conference.
Um, so in terms of the Eurasia Research conferences, I have to say that I'm really grateful to the community and to organizers of all of these conferences, because it's a fascinating opportunity to share your ideas, to exchange your research experience and research, I don't know, results of your own research, and see your peers from all over the world, and be able to attach to their also maybe secrets of their research activities. And no matter if it is exactly your branch of knowledge, or maybe even different one, you can see how researchers use interesting methods, quite new and maybe novelty tools, and try to apply them also into your own branch. And it's a great opportunity, completely great and absolutely fascinating opportunity for discussion and for networking, research networking. Thank you very much. And it's a great honor for me to be a keynote speaker of a lot of Eurasia Research conferences. I'm looking forward to taking part in upcoming conferences.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us, ma'am. Thank you for attending this chat session. We are honored to have you, and it will be great to see you at our future conference as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.